Hi, everyone. How are you? In this video I will tell you about myself. You will learn a lot of things from me. My name is Pomegranate. I am a fruit that people love because I have juicy and tasty edible seeds inside me, called Arils. My scientific name is Punica granatum. I am a deciduous tree that can grow up to 20 feet tall and my branches are often thorny. My leaves are shiny and green in color and my flowers are usually bright red or orange. You can see my beautiful flowers in late spring or early summer. I am native to the region spanning from Iran to northern India, but am now widely cultivated throughout the world. India and China are the top producers of pomegranate in the world, followed by Iran, Turkey, Afghanistan, the United States, Iraq, Pakistan, Syria and Spain. I am available in 1,200 different varieties. Some of my famous types are Wonderful, Kandahar, Haku Bodin, Parfianka, Ambrosia, Mahler DH, Bagua, Eversweet, Nana, Gapsi, Salavatsky, Hikas. Each variety has its own unique flavor, appearance, and seasonality. My trees typically bloom in spring, March, April, May, and the fruit is harvested in autumn, September, October, November, but the timing can vary due to factors like variety, climate, and farming practices. I am proud to say that I am a highly nutritious fruit, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. I am a great source of vitamin C, an essential nutrient that helps to boost immunity, support skin health, and protect the body against free radicals. I also contain vitamin K, which is important for bone health and blood clotting. I am a good source of potassium, an electrolyte that helps to regulate blood pressure and support healthy nerve and muscle function. I contain a significant amount of fiber, which is important for digestion and can help to lower cholesterol levels. I am rich in antioxidants, which help to protect the body against damage from free radicals, and may help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. I have numerous benefits for the skin, including powerful antioxidant properties that can protect against environmental stressors and reduce signs of aging. I'm a versatile fruit with a talent for brightening skin, reducing inflammation, and protecting against UV radiation. My polyphenols improve skin texture and tone, making me a great choice for those with acne-prone or sensitive skin. Ripe pomegranates will always be a deep red color. I am proud to say that I have a rich and storied history, dating back thousands of years. In Greek mythology, I was known as the fruit of the dead and was associated with the goddess Persephone. In the Bible, I am mentioned several times as a symbol of righteousness and abundance, and my arrows are believed to represent the 613 commandments in Judaism. I am also believed to be one of the fruits from the Garden of Eden. Throughout history, many cultures have used various parts of my plant for medicinal purposes. My juice, seeds, and even my bark and roots have been used to treat a variety of ailments, including diarrhea, dysentery, and even tapeworm infestations. I am a versatile fruit that can be used in a variety of sweet and savory dishes. I am enjoyed all around the world, and my juice is a popular ingredient in many cuisines. In Iran, where I am native, my juice is used to make a traditional drink called sharbat-e-nar. My juice can also be boiled down to create a thick, sweet tart syrup known as pomegranate molasses, which is used in Middle Eastern cuisine. My arils can be used to add texture and flavor to a variety of desserts. My peel has antioxidants, anti-inflammatory effects, promotes skin and digestive health, and has antimicrobial properties for oral health. My peel has a bitter taste and tough texture, so it's commonly used in powdered form as a supplement or in tea blends. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share it.